Good afternoon, students. Last class we have studied indirect taxation, meaning, and direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax's best example is income tax. Indirect tax best example is GST. Okay. Today now we are discuss about GST, Goods and Services Tax. Goods and Services Tax is a tax imposed on the supply of the goods and services. It is a designation based on consumption tax and collect on the value added items at each stage of the supply chain. Next one, a manufacturer in India need not to pay GST wherever he and she manufactures. GST is applicable to all goods and services. GST is applicable to all goods and services, except alcohol and petroleum products. Except alcohol and petroleum products. Okay, India is GST proposed a 4 tax rate, that is 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. The trader's annual turnover is below 20 lakhs means exempted from GST. Okay. Next, goods and service taxes. Goods and services taxes passed on April 12, 2017. GST came into effect on from 1st July 2017. It is a single budget. It is single biggest tax reform since independence. Several countries like Russia, Canada, Australia, Singapore, China, etc. who already introduced GST. Many foreign countries GST tax already introduced, but India only introduced in past 2 years. Next, the right to levy tax. Levy means that is as a tax to the government. Some pay the tax levy. Is derived from the Constitution of India to permit the central government and state government to levy taxes on the same goods and services need unequal amendment the Constitution. Accordingly, 101 Constitution Amendment Act 2016 was passed on Parliament. Acceptance was received on September 8, 2016. Under this, Act, GST Council, constitutional body, was to be formed to implement GST. The GST is 4 kinds of GST. Listen, students, you compulsory inside question. This question, everybody note it down. Inside part. CGST, 4 types. CGST, IGST, SGST, okay, UGST. First one, central government goods and services tax imposed on collect by the central government. All supply goods within a state, intrastate under CGST. Intrastate means within a state. Okay. Second one, SGST. SGST means State Goods and Services Tax imposed on collect by the state government. Next one, UGST. UGST means Union Territory Goods and Service Tax imposed and collected by 5 Union Territory administrations in India under UGST Act 2017. Fourth one, IGST, Intrastate Goods and Service Tax imposed and collected by the central government and revenue shared with the states under IGST Act 2017. IGST may collected from central government but shared by within states. Okay. Next one, listen students, GST is mainly government imposed sum controlled by some goods in exported. India is many overpopulation country, but many manufacture. India is many goods is shortage, but some producers is more in earning more income that main purpose is only exporting many level goods in export in foreign country. That controlled in IGST on exports, all exports are treated interstate supply under GST since exports are zero rated. Next one, GST Council. The GST Council, central and state government implementation, the GST Council is one person is chairman of financial minister, central and state government. Next one's one secretary person. Next one appointed a chairman person is Central Board of Excise and Customs. Will be a permanent invitee. Next one, additional secretary to the GST. Listen student, next one, difference between CGST, IGST. This is important, 5 mark, everybody note it down. First one, easy students, very easy only. Easy to thorough this question. CGST means Central Goods and Services Tax to the replace the existing tax like service tax and an excise tax, excise etc. And it is a live central government. Next one, SGST. SGST means State Goods and Services Tax. Replace the existing tax like sales tax and luxuries. Luxuries means some valuable, some costly goods. Luxuries, costly goods and entry tax etc. And it is levied by the state government. IGST refers to the integrated the goods and service taxes and it is a combined from CGST and IGST and is levied by central government. This is combined tax, IGST. Collections of taxes. This is the first one is central government control, full and full. Next one, second one, state government. Third one, central government. Applicability, intrastate supply, intrastate supply. Third one, interstate supply. Registration, no registration till the turnover cross below 20 lakhs. No registration till turnover across the below 20 lakhs. Next one, registration is a mandatory. Mandatory means some obey rules or law, that is mandatory. Composition, the dealers can use the benefits up to 75 lakhs under the compositions of scheme. The dealers can be used the benefit up to 75 lakhs under the composition scheme. Third one, the composition scheme is not applicable in intrastate supply. Okay, listen student, this lesson very important. 2 mark question, some important 5 mark question, and kinds of GST is a inside questions. Listen students, everybody, you read properly, you thorough today itself. Okay, you next day you postpone means your workload only heavy. Listen students, every day revision part more concentrate, you read properly, every day you read, every day you write home test. Home test is best only. Listen students, many students send the home test, very good. Listen students, you write neatly, you write cursive writing, very important, and presentation is very important. Many students handwriting is very bad only. Please listen students, improve your handwriting. Okay, listen students, this lesson very important lesson, but this lesson last lesson only you read. This lesson important, 2 5 mark question. First one, difference between direct tax and indirect tax. Second one, difference between CGST, SGST and IGST. Okay. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one, new topic. Okay, thank you students.